one, it's hot outside. It's getting hot outside. What do people want to do when it's hot outside? They always complain about the cold, but when it's hot, they want the cold. So to give them the cold, to refresh, they want a pool. So what you're gonna do is, right now is April, right? April, you can buy some pools right now. Go to the store, buy some pools, sell the pools. Whenever it hits June, no, not June, July. The July mostly. July is the hottest month, right? You go to the store right now, your local Walmart, your local whatever. You can buy pools maybe 200, 300, 400. In the summer, when people are that desperate for pools, there's no pools because everybody bought the pools. Everybody bought them now because they wanted pools. But the people who didn't, they were, oh, let me wait till July. All right. You have the pools. You bought them for $200-300. You could sell them for up to $1,000. Imagine you buy a couple of those pools. You're set. You're good. That's some light money for the summer, right? So that's number one. You can do that. Flip pools. Number two, you might not be able to do this if you're a teenager. Unless you have money saved up and you work, then you may be able to do this. Now, this is if you live in like a city area or like a populated area, because if you live somewhere where there's not too many people, you probably won't get your money back off of this and make profit. But for example, you live in New York, okay? You go to the city area, you set up your little cart. You see a lot of people doing this, but you can make money doing that. Like, you got to go out and work for it. It's a little side hustle during the summer, and it keeps you busy, right? It's good. It teaches you how to interact with people as well. I hope the wind isn't like messing up the mic, but you could do that as well. You set up your little cart, you put some water, you buy some water, you sell it, you buy a whole thing of water. What is it, $3 for like 35? I mean, here, that's what it is. It's like $3 for 35 water, and you sell that water for $1 each. You're making $35 when you sell it, right? And people would buy it because people go outside with nothing. They're not prepared. You set up your little stand with stuff that people need: water, some food, I don't know, maybe some hot dogs, some refreshments, and some ice cream pops or something, like stuff like that. You set up your little cart in a place where it's a populated area, and you could make some profit, especially if it's a good day, like a good, nice, hot day. You're out there working. That could work, right? The cart doesn't have to be a whole lot of money, and it doesn't, like, you really don't need that much to start it. Like something to keep it cold, one of those carts that like keeps it cold. That's about it. I don't know how much those are. I'll try to find one and put the link in the description. I'll try to find one online, a good one for y'all, and I'll put the link in the description. But that's something good if you live in a populated area. Like, number three, stocks. If you're a teenager, you need the support of your parents for this, because you need to make a custodial account. I'll link what I use in the description. It's called TD Ameritrade. That's what I use for my stocks. You can make a custodial account on there. I know Robinhood you can't, but all you need is, it's pretty fast to make an account, to submit an application, some of your parents' information, some of your information, and then that's it. Then you can start buying. Money comes from your parents' bank account, and then you would give it to them or whatever, and you can buy stocks like that. I don't know, I could barely see because the sun. But anyways, stocks. So for example, airplane stocks. It's probably still a good buy because you're in April. It's still not the main summer event. It's starting to get hot, so they're going up a little bit, but it's still a good buy, right? So if you were able to, you need a good amount of starting money for this. You would have to buy some stocks, right? So airplane stocks is a good one. JetBlue, American Airlines. Probably not JetBlue, actually. Don't do JetBlue. American Airlines is good. And do your own research for some other ones. Find some good ones that you think would go up, and put some money into that. Now, I would say don't only put money that you care too much if you lose, because you can't lose all of it, but you could lose some of it. Like it's still an up and down thing. It's not just gonna like securely go up, but there's a good chance that it'll go up because, for example, American Airlines, right? Oh my god, wow. All right, American Airlines. People are gonna start going on airplanes a lot because they want to go on vacation. So the stock price is gonna go up. Now cruises, there's not many opening this summer, so probably you would have to buy it now. Wait till like November or something. I don't know when they open. I think there's some opening this summer, but I don't know. But stocks is a good way as well. Take advantage of the vacation, the summer vibe. Take advantage of that and think about it. Number 4, I feel like I shouldn't have to say this because it's pretty obvious, but go outside and do work that people need to be done. Cleaning gutters, mowing lawns, painting, whatever that people want to do. You know, go out and do it. I'm sure you know how to mow a lawn. You can tell them, if you don't have your own little cart thing, if they have one. If not, just invest in one yourself, right? And then charge, I don't know, $20 to mow a lawn, and go out and do some a day, because people need their lawns to be mowed. Like that's pretty simple. It's not it's physical work, but if you want to make some money during the summer, take advantage of what people need to be done, and they don't want to do it themselves. You go out and do it, right? Don't be, oh, I don't want to do that either. Don't be one of those people that doesn't want to do it. Go out and do it and collect your cash and keep investing, keep moving up. You can walk dogs. Dog walking is nice outside. People want to go on vacation, even be a dog sitter. Charge significantly cheaper than those professional places, and make sure that they know that their dog is being good taken care of. Well, yeah, that. All right, that's basically it. You can just basically the whole gist of this is stuff that people want or / need. Just get it and sell it to them. Whether it be a service, whether it be a product. Hyped up clothes, Supreme, that's not too hyped up anymore, but still, even buy a coat right now and sell it in winter, because they're a good price right now. Like, there's a lot of things that you can do. Whatever people want / need, just get it, sell it. It's simple as that. There's really not too much to it. Like, just think. Like what I said isn't all. There's a lot of things. Just think about it and get some stuff. Simple. Get your inventory up, do some services, get a little company going, just for fun. Get some of your friends involved. Everyone goes out, team effort, split the profit. Simple. That's it. Make sure you get a good group though, because you need a good group. But besides that, that's really all there is to it. There's not that much. I hope I was able to help y'all. I wish y'all good luck. Keep moving up, and I'll see you at the top. And tune in for the next video, My Path, Your Path to Financial Freedom. Peace out, bruh. Before I go, one other thing. Some people, like, storage garages, right? You can go out and auction. Like, there's auctions. People leave stuff. Now, that's a complete gamble. But if you have the money to waste, like, maybe you can find one for $300 and the stuff in there can be worth much more. So might be something to look into. I still haven't done it, but I'm thinking about it.